Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr.Kay English Channel. I'm Kay.
Hi, I'm Bunie.
Today, how to use would in English. Simple and real.
Would makes you sound polite, natural, and friendly.
Let's start fast. Bunie, quick question. Coffee or tea today?
Coffee. If I had tea, I'd fall asleep.
See? You just used if I had, I'd. Nice.
Would is everywhere.
Like, subscribe, and comment. I would like to improve my English.
And tell us, where are you watching from?
If you learn would, you instantly sound more polite.
And you stop sounding too direct.
In 5 steps, you'll use would in real life. Ready?
Let's go.
Step 1. Polite requests with would you. Step 1. Use would you to ask politely.
The pattern is easy. Would you plus verb.
Examples. Would you help me? Would you open the door? Would you wait a moment? Would you speak more slowly?
Repeat after me, slowly. Would you speak more slowly, please?
Repeat. Would you help me with this, please?
Notice the feeling. It's soft. It's respectful.
Would you is perfect with strangers, teachers, customers, coworkers.
Let's do a tiny classroom role play.
Excuse me, would you explain that again?
Sure. Would you like an example?
Yes, please.
Okay. Think of would as a polite key.
Another role play. At a store.
Hi, would you show me this jacket in a larger size?
Of course. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, I would. Thank you.
Great. Now let's add one powerful word. Please.
Try these. Would you please check again? Would you please repeat that? Would you please write it down?
Repeat. Would you please write it down for me?
Now the opposite. What not to say.
Repeat.
Too strong.
Say it again.
Better, but still a little direct.
Would you say it again, please?
Perfect.
Quick drill. I say a direct sentence. You make it polite with would you.
Let's do it.
Open the window.
Would you open the window, please?
Wait.
Would you wait a moment, please?
Help me.
Would you help me, please?
Awesome. Step 1, done.
Step 2. Polite want with would like.
Step 2. Would like means want, but polite.
2 patterns. I would like plus noun. I would like to plus verb.
Examples with nouns. I would like a coffee. I would like some water. I would like the menu, please.
Examples with verbs. I would like to ask a question. I would like to practice speaking. I would like to book a table.
Repeat after me. I would like a cup of tea, please.
Repeat. I would like to improve my pronunciation.
Now, real life. Cafe role play.
Hi there. What can I get for you?
Hi, I would like a small iced coffee, please.
Sure. Anything else?
Yes, I would like a cookie.
Great. Your total is $5.
Thank you.
Natural, friendly, easy.
Now, short form. Very important. I would is I'd.
So we usually say, I'd like a coffee. I'd like to ask something.
Repeat. I'd like to practice today.
Repeat. I'd like a little help, please.
Let's practice would like with choices.
Do you want chicken or fish?
I'd like fish, please.
Do you want to sit inside or outside?
I'd like to sit outside.
Nice.
And we can ask others, too. Would you like?
Exactly. That's step 3, but quick preview. Would you like some water? Would you like to join us?
Good. Step 2 done.
Step 3. Offers, invitations, and choices. Would you like?
Step 3. Use would you like to offer or invite.
2 patterns again. Would you like noun? Would you like to verb?
Examples. Would you like some water? Would you like a seat? Would you like to come with us? Would you like to try again?
Repeat. Would you like some coffee?
Repeat. Would you like to practice with me?
Now, common answers. Yes, please. Sure, thanks. I'd love to. That sounds great.
And polite no. No, thank you. I'd love to, but I'm busy. Maybe another time.
Let's role play, meeting a new neighbor.
Hi, I'm Kay. I live next door.
Hi, Kay. I'm Bunie. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Would you like to come in for a quick coffee?
That's so kind. I'd love to, but I'm on my way out.
No problem. Would you like my phone number?
Sure, that would be great.
Good, natural, and friendly.
Now, role play at work.
Bunie, we have a new project. Would you like to join the team?
Yes, I'd love to. What should I do first?
Would you like me to send you the details?
Yes, please. That helps a lot. Notice how would you like sounds warm. It's not cold.
Quick practice with choices. Would you like A or B?
Like this. Would you like tea or coffee? Would you like chicken or beef?
Let's do it. Would you like hot coffee or iced coffee?
I'd like iced coffee, please.
Would you like to pay by card or cash?
I'd like to pay by card.
Perfect. Step 3 done.
Step 4. Preferences. Would rather and would prefer.
Step 4. Use would to talk about preferences.
Two common phrases. Would rather equals prefer. Would prefer equals prefer. A little more formal.
Step 1. I would rather plus verb. Examples. I would rather stay home. I would rather eat now. I'd rather walk.
Step 2. I would prefer noun or to plus verb. Examples. I would prefer coffee. I would prefer to sit here. I'd prefer a quiet place.
Repeat. I'd rather study in the morning.
Repeat. I'd prefer to practice speaking tonight.
Now a real-life situation. Friends making a plan.
Hey, Bundy. Movie or dinner?
I'd rather have dinner first.
Italian food or Japanese food?
I'd prefer Japanese food.
Eat out or take out?
I'd rather eat out. I want fresh food.
Nice. Smooth choices.
Another situation, travel.
Would you like to take a bus or a taxi?
I'd rather take a taxi. It's faster.
Window seat or aisle seat?
I'd prefer a window seat.
Great. And you can ask someone's preference politely too.
Like, would you rather plus verb? Would you prefer plus noun?
Example. Would you rather meet today or tomorrow? Would you prefer email or a phone call?
Quick role play. Work meeting.
We need to talk. Would you rather meet now or after lunch?
I'd rather meet after lunch.
Okay. Would you prefer 1 p.m. or 2 p.m.?
I'd prefer 2 p.m., please.
Perfect. Step 4 done.
Step 5. Hypotheticals and polite, soft language. Real conversation practice.
Step 5 is big. Would is also used for hypothetical situations, imaginary or not real.
The common pattern. If plus past, would plus verb.
Examples. If I had more time, I would study more. If I lived in New York, I would take the subway. If I were you, I would practice every day.
Repeat. If I had more confidence, I would speak more.
Repeat. If I had 10 minutes, I would practice would.
Now the most useful advice phrase. If I were you, I would...
Let's role play. English advice.
Kay, I understand English, but I can't speak well.
I get it. If I were you, I would start with short lines.
Like what?
Like, I'd like. Would you? Would you like?
That feels easy.
Another role play. Making a decision.
I want to buy a new phone, but it's expensive.
If I were you, I would wait for a discount.
That's smart.
Or, I would buy a cheaper model.
Great. Now the second part of step 5. Would for very polite phrases.
These are super common in real life. Would you mind? Would it be possible? Would it be okay if?
Pattern. Would you mind plus ing question. Examples. Would you mind repeating that? Would you mind speaking slowly? Would you mind waiting here?
Repeat. Would you mind repeating that, please?
Pattern. Would it be possible to verb question. Examples. Would it be possible to reschedule? Would it be possible to pay tomorrow?
Repeat. Would it be possible to meet next week?
Pattern. If it would be okay if past question. Examples. Would it be okay if I left early today? Would it be okay if I asked a question?
Repeat. Would it be okay if I asked one more question?
Now we combine everything in one longer role play. Real situation, you call a hotel.
Good evening. Thank you for calling. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to book a room for 2 nights.
Sure. What dates?
February 10th to February 12th.
Great. Would you like 1 bed or 2 beds?
I'd prefer 1 large bed, please.
No problem.
And would it be possible to check in early?
We can try. What time?
Around 11 a.m.
Okay. If the room is ready, we can do that.
Thank you. Also, would you mind confirming the total price?
Of course. It's $120 per night.
Great. If I have any problems, would you call me?
Yes, we will.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
That was excellent. You used I'd like, I'd prefer, would it be possible, and would you mind?
Now a friend conversation, casual.
Hey, Bunie, what would you do if you had a free day?
If I had a free day, I would sleep more.
Same.
Then I would go for a walk.
Nice. If I had a free day, I'd practice English for 20 minutes. Then I'd eat pizza.
That sounds perfect.
Quick note, would is also used in questions like, what would you do? Where would you go? Who would you call?
Let's do 3 quick ones.
What would you do if you could travel anywhere?
I would go to Japan.
Where would you live if money was not a problem?
I would live near the ocean.
Who would you practice English with?
I would practice with you and with our viewers.
Step 5, done. Great job.
Let's recap the 5 steps.
Would you equals polite requests. Would like / I'd like equals polite want. Would you like equals offers and invitations. Would rather / would prefer equals preferences. If, would, plus would you mind, would it be possible, would it be okay if, equals hypotheticals plus super polite phrases.
If you master these, your English will sound smooth and polite.
Your turn. Comment 1 sentence. I would like to blank. Fill in the blank.
And answer this. What would you do if you had 1 free hour today?
Thanks for watching Mr.Kay English Channel.
Practice would every day, just 3 minutes.
Like, subscribe, and see you in the next lesson.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.